Hello and welcome to the course. In the last lecture, we have seen that how to use Calculate to apply different filters. So in this lecture, we will see that what is the difference between Calculatable and filter function. So let me write first the filter, evaluate filter, and we have to provide table name is products. And then I need to filter like product color is equal to red. We need to close it. So here you can see if I run this query, so I'm getting 63 rows and all the colors are red. So if I run this table, the calculate table, we will get the same result, 63 rows, and everywhere is color is red. Then what is the difference between calculate and the filter table? The difference between calculate and filter function is the performance. When we use filter table, the product color is equal to red. It filter function, the condition in the filter function checks each and every row and either it is red or not. And so if we have like 10,000 rows, then the filter function goes, because filter is an iterator, and it goes row by row and check this condition. So if we have like 1,000,000 rows, then we will get some performance issue. On the other hand, when we use calculate table, calculate modify the filter context. First of all, calculate will execute its condition, product color, and the product color will be applied on the smaller set of colors. We have few colors and only these colors will be filtered out, and then we will get all the related result. Let me expand this calculate function so that we can better visualize that how it works. So it works like this. Calculate table, we need to write evaluate, and then we have to write calculate table. The first is products, and then every condition in the calculate table is a filter. So then I have to write filter, and then I need to provide one column like all, and all needs one like table or the column, and we have to provide here column products color, and then we have to write here the condition product color is equal to red. So this is the expansion of this function. So first of all, here we will get the unique distinct color. We will get one table that will contain the distinct number of colors, and then the filter, for example, if we have 10 or 15 colors, then this condition will run only 10 or 15 times. So that's why when we use calculate, it is much faster than the normal filter. If I further drill down this function, evaluate, so what is inside all, and this is products color, that's it. And let me execute, run, and see we are getting only 10 rows. So when we use this function calculate or the expansion form, the filter executes only 10 times. But on the other hand, if I go for the product table, the filter, every row needs to be checked. So like if we have 400 rows in the product table, then it goes row by row and check this condition. So the performance wise, calculate table is very good. So that's all about the calculate table and the filter function.